Aspire Bakeries has 13 locations across the United States and Canada.
We run ready-to-eat muffins, frozen dough cookies, and frozen dough bread here. We run anywhere between 3.2 to 3.3 million pounds per week.
This facility runs 24 hours a day, between 5 and 6 days a week.
We're using some machinery that depends on air to actuate, to drop, to push, to pull.
Air compressors are a huge draw. Costs a lot of money to operate each and every one of them. It's kind of one of those things that's in the background. It's silent. You really don't worry about air compressors until they go down, but they are very costly.
We saw well over 100 events from downtime last year.
The area of the facility that benefit the most currently would be the muffin line. 2,000 minutes of that 44 hours was from the muffin line for air leaks, air compressor issues, faults at different pieces of equipment due to low air pressure.
And this acoustic imager, when it was first brought to us, it's one of these things you think, does this really work? Could this actually show us what we're looking for? And after having seen it today, where it is literally pointing it out, and some of the air leaks are so substantial, we can go there and you can actually feel the air pressure on your hands.
We are partnering with Aspire Bakery in efforts to increase their uptime by reducing their downtime. This will help Aspire achieve their sustainability goals, reduce their expenditure on electrical utility, and also increase their uptime on keeping their products and processes rolling through the conveyor lines, through the plants.
Today, we walked through, was able to pick up the exact location of an air leak. There's a bunch of noise out there, but it still actually pinpoint a location. Even if it was on a machine behind the door, we're able to pinpoint it. Not only pinpoint it, they actually told us how strong it was and the cost that it was given to the company. So, yeah, it's pretty amazing.
I had the privilege doing a walkthrough today to walk around with the Fluke that looks for air leaks. It was very accurate, I can say that. It found several leaks that need to be repaired that we're going to get repaired as soon as possible to help the factory save a lot of money.
Goals for using the acoustic imager and the data logging and all that at the end of the project is a good cost savings for the facility, make sure that we have fixed our leaks, we're able to detect leaks in the future. The cost associated today is between $14,000 and $57,000 of potential savings just for air that we're spitting out into the plant that we don't need to make. So the whole idea is that we can prevent that from happening in the future. And the idea is if we show a good cost savings, it's something that the other bakeries will want to pick up and incorporate into their daily maintenance activities.
I look at this as it's not just the efficiency gain and the dollar savings, but when we really look at it practically from a sustainability, if we're reducing our electrical intake by X percentage, then we're doing our part for carbon emissions.